Undercooked chicken, a recipe for danger.
Hello there, and welcome to this very important discussion on food safety. Today, we'll be talking about the health risks of consuming undercooked chicken. Undercooked chicken can potentially pose serious health threats. Here's why it's crucial to ensure your poultry is thoroughly cooked before eating.
Why can undercooked chicken be dangerous?
Firstly, it's important to understand why undercooked chicken can be a health risk. When we talk about undercooked chicken, we are referring to chicken that has not reached the safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Chicken is a common carrier of foodborne pathogens, especially Campylobacter and Salmonella.
What are the risks?
The primary health risk associated with eating undercooked chicken is food poisoning, which can lead to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, and abdominal pain. Here are the specifics. Campylobacter infection. Campylobacteriosis. This is one of the most common causes of diarrheal illness in the U.S. Symptoms usually occur 2 to 5 days after eating contaminated food and can include diarrhea, cramping, abdominal pain, and fever. Salmonella infection. Salmonellosis. Salmonellosis can cause symptoms such as diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps within 12 to 72 hours after eating the contaminated food. The illness usually lasts 4 to 7 days, and most people recover without treatment. These bacteria can be lethal in certain populations, including young children, elderly individuals, pregnant women, and people with compromised immune systems.
How can we prevent these risks?
Luckily, we can prevent the risks of consuming undercooked chicken by properly cooking the chicken. Always cook chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to kill harmful bacteria. Use a food thermometer to make sure you've reached the right temperature. It's also crucial to avoid cross-contamination by keeping raw chicken separate from other foods, using different cutting boards and utensils, and washing hands thoroughly. In conclusion, while chicken is a staple in many diets, it's imperative to cook it properly to avoid the risks associated with undercooked chicken. Remember, food safety first. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Stay safe and enjoy your meals.